Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've partnered with her hair company to do this SZA inspired look, so if you'd like to see how I achieve this style, stay tuned. There's a ginger trend going on. I actually saw Jessica Pettway and maybe a couple of other YouTubers create this look, so I wanted to take a stab at it. So getting right into it, when the wind blows, my edges won't be looking crazy. As you can see, I just have a little bit of leave out and my hair twisted in the back. And so this wig, I actually sewed and colored off camera. If you would like to see how I achieve this ginger look and how I sew my wigs, make sure you check out my past hair company video using the same exact method. The only difference is that I colored all of the hair up to the roots. That's the only difference, so make sure you guys check out that video because I know y'all gonna be asking me about how I colored this hair. I'm wearing 2 bundles of their 24-inch Brazilian curly and 2 bundles of the 22 inches of the Brazilian curly and a 16-inch closure. So starting out, I'm going to start on the bang, and I'm just going to cut a little bit lower than what I'm aiming for, just to kind of get a feel of what the shape is going to look like. Remember, it's a wig, don't cut too much. So I'm going to go back in and cut it to where I know it's going to fall perfectly. So I'm just going to frame my face with my scissors, and this is going to be a light cut. I'm not going to cut off too much because I want this to be kind of like a heavy look. I'm just going to cut some really long layers into the front and to the back of my hair. And so after I get the desired cut that I'm looking for, I'm going to go in and start seeing how I want to kind of achieve those really fluffy curls that she has. So instead of blow drying my hair out, I literally just took a paddle brush, and the paddle brush creates the same type of effect as a blow dryer. So I'm just going to do that and then take my 1-inch curling wand and wand it. You don't want your hair to be straight, so I don't have it on high heat. I just want the curl to kind of like be defined. So then I put the wig back on the mannequin head and began curling it because my arms would be too tired trying to curl it on my head. So again, just take the curling one and just wrap it all the way around. If you need to use a glove, use one. I know a lot of people ask me how long this takes. Honestly, this took about an hour and a half because this is a lot of hair. For most people, that's a lot, but this is what I do, so I have the patience to get it done. And I just want to talk about the color a little bit more. For the color, again, I bleached my hair, and I know that it looks multi-dimensional. Reason being, some bundles are lighter or darker than others, so you're not going to get identical bundle. Although they may be all 1B, there's going to be slightly variance in the shade. And also processing time. Some process slower, some parts process faster, and so you're not getting a kind of like an all over even tone, which works out perfectly for colored hair to get those different types of depth of color. So I just curled my leave out with the curling wand. Here I am applying bobby pins to kind of keep my wig in place, especially around the perimeter. And then I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and just comb it out. You can comb it as much or as little as you want to, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, this was probably one of the easiest wigs I've had to style because curly hair is just always easier. And then if it frizzes up, I'm not going to lose my curl. It's just going to get bigger and probably curlier. My hair is a little bit more burgundy at the roots than at the tips for my hair. So my leave out isn't perfect, but it looks pretty darn good to me. So I'm going to make sure I link this hair in the description box so you guys can purchase her hair company. This hair is bomb, y'all. This is like my 3rd or 4th time working with her hair company, so as you can see, like, I rocks with them hard. So make sure you guys check them out. Follow also on social media. Check out my social media handles at Anissa Lamara. That is my new social media handle for all of my social media networks. And until next time, see you guys later.